What's up guys, Philip Mashiapa here. Welcome to another video guys, and in today's video guys I'll be talking to you about what to do when you're not getting results in within your affiliate marketing business, right? So first of all guys, you have to realize that this is a business, right? This is a real business, right? Even though it's online, it's a real legitimate business, right? So for you to get results, it's gonna take time. That's the first thing you have to understand, right? People don't know that it takes time to make money or to get results with affiliate marketing, right? People don't realize that, right? And people when they start off like they are told that put out a video or do a blog post every day or do this every day, right? Or when they're told that, they don't realize that it's gonna be time. It's gonna be a long time before you get the answers you want, right? Before you get the results you want. Probably even for a month or 2 months or 3 months without you getting results, right? So that's what you have to understand. You have to understand that hey, it's gonna be like probably 1, 2, or 3 months without you getting results or without you seeing any results with your YouTube channel or with your blog post, right? So that's what they have to. So that's what you have to realize. And guys, right? People are selfish, right? So if the thing that you need to understand when you're putting out affiliate marketing videos, right, or online, to make money online, or specifically anything, right? You have to understand that. You have to understand that. Put out value, right? First value, first give, and then later on ask, which in that case ask means later on you're getting the results. First you must give. People are too selfish that they don't even want to give, right? They always want to ask. If you always want to ask, oh, which in that case get results, you're never going to get any, because you're not giving people value in order for them to buy, right? Or to get, in order for them to buy from you, right? Let's say it like this, right? Turn off all your subscribers, because people care about only subscribers, how many subscribers you have, how many likes, how many comments, right? Without you even realizing, did I put out enough value today? That's the question you're supposed to ask yourself, right? So just first of all, just put out value every single day. Don't mind about how many subscribers you're getting. Don't mind about how many likes, how many comments you're getting, right? So that's the first thing you have to realize. And second thing, guys, to do is you have to be consistent. Don't give up. Always push, right? It's gonna take a long time. It took me. Let me bring this down to you, right? I don't think people understand. I started online business 2017, around about in May there, right? May. I started 2017. I started affiliate marketing in 2017, right? It took me the whole 2017 from May till December, which is 5 months, to which is 6 or 7 months, right? 7 months before I actually got results. And even January of this year, 2018, and February to get results. I started getting results from March. From March, I started getting results with affiliate marketing. So it basically took me around about 10, 11 months, right? People don't understand that it's gonna take a long time to get results. People just want things fast, right? And I even broke it down in yesterday's video that is it possible to make money online fast, right? If you want to check out there to see it, links in the description. I'm going to put it there, right? So look at Alibaba, right? You know the owner of Alibaba, the big Chinese company that shipping clothing. It's like on Amazon, right? The owner of Alibaba, Jack Ma, took him 7 years. 7 years before he actually got results with his online business, which is Alibaba. Now it's the richest man in China. Took him 7 years, right? And you're complaining it's taking you 5 months, you're not seeing results. Guys, you have to understand that this is a marathon, not a race. You are your own marathon. You are running your own marathon. You're not in a race. Don't compare your results with that result. Don't compare yourself with that person. Why is this person getting X amount of results and I'm not getting? You don't know what they did, right? You don't know what they did. So focus on yourself. Concentrate. Be consistent, right? Never give up. What I suggest to do every single day, write down your goals. What you want to accomplish in 2018 or 2019, right? What you want to accomplish every single day. What you want to accomplish. And when you're feeling down and when you're feeling low or you don't want to put out or it's not working out for you, you go back on your goals that you write down every single day. Or then they remind you. Or you write down your whys. Why did you actually start with affiliate marketing? Why? Right? Some people started because they want to get out of their job, their 9 to 5 job. Some people started to wanted to get out because of they don't want to go to school, which is me. I don't want to go to school. I'm about to drop out of school, right? People started different results. Write down also your whys. Why you started. If you're feeling down, if you're feeling not wanting to quit, and see actually why you started with affiliate marketing. And that will actually motivate you guys. So guys, thanks for watching. My name is Philemon Shepo. Just please be consistent with affiliate marketing. It will pay off surely. People are gonna laugh at you, yes, when you're starting out. There will be a lot of failures, but later on success will come. And when it comes, boy, it will be one to be waited for, right? When it comes to success with affiliate marketing, boy, you're gonna enjoy it, right? So please be consistent, guys. Put out content every single day. Thanks for watching. My name is Philemon Shepo. And if you have my free ebook that teaches you how to make money online with affiliate marketing fast, first link in the description to take you to my free ebook that will teach you everything about affiliate marketing that you need to know, guys. Thanks for watching. My name is Philemon Shepo, and peace.